My name's Devin Nobles, and my property is located in Stedman, North Carolina, God's country. My grandfather was a farmer, and he left each grandchild 3 acres of land and has afforded me the opportunity to build my dream home on. And we try to keep his legacy living every day, and I'm very thankful for what he's left behind.
It was our legacy to continue to farm, not to let it go. They don't make any more land. It was our goal not to lose what he had worked so hard for. It was our goal to continue it for us, but we want to be able to pass it down to our children as well.
The legacy that I would like to leave with agriculture is the significance behind preserving it. With where I live, every day it seems like I see a for sale sign going up and more developments being put in the area, and I sometimes wonder, what are we going to do later on? Where are we going to have fields where we can farm? God doesn't make any more land. You have to protect what you have. I think it's very important to reserve that. Without farmers, we have nothing.
In 2014, my wife and I decided we wanted to build a house, and we found land that the family allowed us to build on, and we wanted to build a home that our children could raise and we could raise our children and grow in. And we started looking around at different locations and different banks, and when we come up with Farm Credit, it was almost like it was family. As a younger couple, it was hard going through some other places to get a loan. 2 younger folks that are starting out, it's hard to get that footing underneath you, and Farm Credit never gave us any problems. Everything was seamless. We were able to purchase the land, and we actually have 20 acres of pine trees we were able to get in that. So we were able to get some recurring money off of that in time to come that we'll pass on to our children.
Farm Credit has been an awesome agency to work with. The customer service is top-notch. I have never actually stepped foot in the office. They've always came to us. They've always asked us what works best for you, and we'll make it happen, whatever you need. Our next venture that we have with Farm Credit was purchasing the 27 acres that adjoin us. And then our final one thus far is our barn here that we have built.
We needed somewhere to put our horses, and we needed some places to put things. So we got that together, went with Farm Credit, told them what we were looking for, and again, once again, they never hesitated. They monitored the entire piece. There was no payouts unless the work was done completely to our expectations plus Farm Credits, and it's been a seamless process. We would recommend them to anybody.
Patronage means to me that we're going to have a lower interest rate, and what my family and I do, we always apply that back into our loan, but you never know, we might need to use that money one year to make an improvement within our land, and we know it's coming, and we can use that to put towards another investment. But that's just knowing that you're going to have a lower interest rate and have that money coming back. I mean, that's a nice feeling. What keeps me coming back to Farm Credit is, number one, the customer service. It's easy. I just call and say, hey, we want to do this. Okay, let me know when you're ready. And we start the process, and it's not a bunch of back and forth. It's just straight to the point. The paperwork is easy. If I have a question, I can always call. I don't have to sit there and wait for someone to pick up that I don't understand. It's just a peace of mind because I know I'm going to be taken care of.